Good morning. We will perform uh, multiplication of two numbers using shift operation, and we will see here how assembly language programming is done on 8085 simulator, which is freely available on the internet. I will provide the description, the link for that in the description box. So let us see that suppose we want to multiply two numbers, and let's suppose those numbers are 5 and 4, 0, 5 and 0, 4. Two 8-bit numbers are 0, 5, and we want to multiply that number by 0, 4. Okay, so rotate operation, we have already seen that rotate operation can be used to multiply a number by 2, 4, 8 and 16, or divide, similarly to divide by 2, 4, 8 and 16. So we have to rotate that much number of times. If we want to multiply a number by 2, we have to rotate the actual number by 1 bit position. If we want to multiply that number by 4, we have to rotate 2 times towards left. So similarly, let us see, we want to multiply two numbers, and those two numbers are 0, 5 and 0, 4. So firstly, we will get the first number into the accumulator. So let us moving the first number MVI A05. Okay, so we got the first number in the accumulator. Because we know that rotate operation can be performed on the accumulator contents only, so that's why we moved the first number initially in the accumulator, and now we will perform the rotate operation. RLC 1 times, it will multiply accumulator contents by 2, but what is the operation we want to perform here? We want to multiply this base number 05 by 4. So that's why we will again perform another operation, that is rotate operation towards left. So RLC again. So what it will do, it will rotate the contents again by 1 bit position, and the result will be stored in the accumulator. So now what we will do, we will get the result into any of the memory location. Let us suppose that memory location is 2000. Okay, now we will halt the operation. Okay, so now we will autocorrect the program if there would be any means correction, but there is no correction, I think. Now we will assemble the program. So it will provide a tick here if our instructions are okay. The software will provide a tick here. Okay, now what we will do, we will see the memory part here. So the program has been started automatically because the origin for the program has been provided here already. It is by default provided by the software 0000, but we can change this location also. So looking at this, the instructions require 8 memory locations starting from 0000 to 0007. Okay, we can also see how many number of T states are required for every particular instruction. So now by assembling this program, by running this program, clicking on run all at a time, look at the result here. The result has been stored here at location 2000H. Okay, so 2000H, the result has been stored here, and we have rotated the base number 05 by 2 bit positions. What that means, that we are multiplying that number by 4. So if we are multiplying that number by 4, what will be the result? The result in decimal would be 05 into 4 equal to 20, but 20 in hexadecimal number becomes 14. So that's why our result is correct here. We can see the result from this, because we have used STA 2000 instruction here, so that's why the result is being stored in this location. So the result is okay. So what it means, that rotate operation is performing the multiplication accurately if we are multiplying the number by 2, 4, 8 or 16. Likewise, it will also perform the division operation if we will use here rotate right operation. Okay, now we can also see how the registers has been modified. You can see the accumulator contents are 14, Other registers, as we are not using other registers, that's why there is 00 here. Memory pointer is having contents 3E. These are used internally by the microprocessor. Stack pointer contents are 00, memory pointer are 00. Program status word are having contents 1400H. Okay, program status word means flag register contents and accumulator, because the accumulator contents are 14 and flag register contents are 00. So program status word will become 1400 because it is the combination of accumulator and flag register contents. Okay, program counter is having memory location 0007H. Look at this. The last instruction is 0007H and we have halted this program here. So that's why the contents are this. Clock cycle counter. If we will count total number of clock cycles here, it will become 33. Instruction counter is 5 because there are 5 instructions in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how we can utilize this 8085 simulator very correctly. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you very much.